Hello, welcome to ECBSC online classes. In this video, we will be covering pair of linear equations in two variables for class 10th. The topic is substitution method to solve pair of linear equations in two variables. It is part E video in the series. Let us find a pair of numbers whose sum is 10 and one number is greater than the other by 2. To do that, let's assume that x and y are the numbers and y is greater than x, so that we can write the first part of the statement as x plus y equal to 10 and the second part of the problem statement as y minus x equal to 2. We know that to find the numbers we have to solve x plus y equal to 10 and y minus x equal to 2, the pair of linear equations in two variables, right? And in the earlier videos we learnt to solve these equations using graphical method. In this particular video, we learned to use algebraic method, that is substitution method of solving pair of linear equations to solve this problem. Let me restate the problem. Find a pair of numbers whose sum is 10 and one number is greater than the other by 2. Here, let me assume that the small number is x, so that the other number becomes x plus 2. And we know that their sum is 10. It means x plus 2 equal to 10. When you simplify this equation, what you get is x equal to 4. It means x plus 2 equal to 6. So the numbers we are looking for are 4 and 6. This is the answer, right? But let's not stop the problem here. Let's use this problem to understand the basic idea behind the substitution method. To do that, let's quickly recall the pair of linear equations we have written just now for the same problem. Those are x plus y equal to 10 and y minus x equal to 2, right? Let me rearrange the second equation such that I can write it as y equal to x plus 2. Let's rewrite the equation we have just written, that is x plus 2 equal to 10. And if you compare that with x plus y equal to 10, when you compare these equations, can you say that x plus 2 is substituted for y in the first equation such that we have arrived at an equation x plus 2 equal to 10? Do you say that? The answer is yes. This is the basic idea of substitution method to solve a pair of linear equations. Let's take a note of this statement. Method of substituting value or expression of one variable obtained from an equation into the other equation to solve the pair of linear equations is called substitution method. Please take a note of this. Now let's go back to the original problem and solve this using the substitution method now. The equation, the pair of linear equations given are x plus y equal to 10 and y minus x equal to 2, right? The first step in the substitution method is we have to rearrange an equation such that a variable is expressed as a function of another variable. I chose to rearrange the second equation so that I am writing it as y equal to x plus 2. It means variable y is expressed as function of x. Please take a note of this. The second step is we have to substitute the value of the variable into the other equation. The way we have now the value or the expression for variable y, right? We have to substitute that into the other equation. The other equation we have is the first equation, that is x plus y equal to 10. Let's substitute value of y into this equation such that it can be written now as x plus 2 equal to 10. When you simplify it, you get x equal to 4. So we have value of x. Now we have to find the value of the other variable y using value of x already obtained. For that, what we do is we substitute value of x, that is x equal to 4, into any of the equations given. I chose y equal to x plus 2 as the equation, and I'm substituting x equal to 4 into this equation such that I get y equal to 6. So now we can say that solution to pair of equations x plus y equal to 10 and y minus x equal to 2 is 4, 6. I hope you understood. Now let's solve another problem to understand the method better. Solve a pair of linear equations 7x minus 15y equal to 2 and x plus 2y equal to 3. Let's recall steps of substitution method. The first step involved is we have to rearrange an equation such that a variable is expressed as function of the other variable. I chose the second equation and rearranged such that it can be written as x equal to 3 minus 2y. Now let's go to the second step. We have to substitute this expression into the other equation. The other equation we have is 7x minus 15y equal to 2. Let's now substitute x equal to 3 minus 2y into this equation such that it can be written as 7 times 3 minus 2y minus 15y equal to 2. You simplify this equation such that you get y equal to 19 by 29, right? Now let's go to the third step. That is, we have to find the value of the other variable, that is x, right? To do that, let's now substitute y equal to 19 by 29 into any of the equations given. I chose x equal to 3 minus 2y. Let me substitute y equal to 19 by 29 into this and simplify it such that I get answer x equal to 49 by 29. So now let me write x equal to 49 by 29 and y equal to 19 by 29. This is the solution for the pair of linear equations given. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe to our channel ECBSC Online Classes on YouTube and follow us on Facebook. Thank you.